First, we're going to make this tall tower piece. This is just using a toilet paper roll. If you don't have a toilet paper roll, it's very easy to just cut out a rectangular piece of the thin cardboard, tape it down the side, and then you have the tubular piece that you'll need for this. First, you want to make a circle around the tube that's about a ½ inch up from one side. I'm bracing a Sharpie on top of the X-Acto knife here and just spinning the tube around. This will ensure that the line I make is parallel to the bottom of the tube. Then I'm just cutting up to that line around the tube, all the way around the tube, about somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 inch each cut. And then you want to just flare all of the tabs out so we now have something that we can glue or tape to a flat piece of cardboard. For the top of the tower, we're going to make this little conical shape just using a regular piece of printer paper. So start with a normal piece of copy paper for a printer and get a plate that fits almost all the way inside the paper, and draw the outline of the plate. Draw at least halfway around the plate. So I'm going to find the midpoint here. So that's 8.5. So it's going to be 4.25. So that is the center of the plate. And then I am going to, these lines can kind of be anywhere, but you kind of want to make this shape, not this, but this shape that's a little bit less than a half of the plate. Then we are going to cut that shape out. And then we are just going to cut out a little curve here that kind of follows the same curve here. Then to make the cone, all we're going to do is fold it in on itself like that. And you kind of want to match the center up so it makes a nice circle. Then all we're going to do is put a piece of tape. Actually, we might as well do the tape this way on the inside. Then we can also put a piece of tape on the outside. I am going to fold this one over. Then we'll put one more piece of tape up top. And that is how you make a nice little cone shape. So now we have the merlins, the turret, and the little spire on top. We'll be assembling this all at the end, so don't worry about gluing it together now. Here's an example of one that's a little bit bigger. This was made with a paper towel roll using a full-sized plate for the spire. And that's it for today. 3 parts down, 2 more to go.